guys and gals, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Gearheadgirl 69. Today we're going to be unboxing this FULAIM UHF wireless microphone system. So go ahead and get straight into it. A UHF wireless microphone system should work with XLR camcorder, DSLR camera, smartphone, and PC. So, see how it fits. It's actually a box this time. Alright. Here we go. Layer of protective foam. Alright, we've got a good luck scratchy. That's new. What is this? See if you won. Look at that. That says we won $30. 1% chance of winning. See about that later on. Anyway, so we've got that. We've got our wireless recording microphone system product instruction manual. So here is that. Alright, so go ahead and go over a couple of features of this. It's a UHF high-frequency digital wireless signal, automatic connection, high-fidelity audio transmission, no frequency interference, while working with multiple sets. Each set's equipped with 20 channels for options. Receivers equipped with a monitoring headset port for real-time monitoring of recording effects by plugging in earphones headsets. Transmitter supports electronic volume up to 15 levels. Volume can be adjusted according to your recording needs. Several other features there. You guys can check it out yourself if you'd like to. And we'll go ahead. So here is what's in the box. So we have oh, it's nice and cute and tiny and compact. Pretty slim too. I don't know if you guys can see how slim that is, which is handy dandy. This one, and this one, Alright. You've got the cables. And our actual mic with spare cover. That's another set right there. And that. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get a nice close-up for you guys. Is this and all of the features and product specs mentioned in the manual. Alright guys and gals, that's what's in the box. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for future content. And we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya.